Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sparkling Beauty Bee. As from the title you already know, today is a Dior unboxing. I'm very happy that today I'm going to share with you the unboxing of my dream bag opening, and this is my first ever Dior purchase. It was a very exciting moment when I made the purchase, so I did a little vlog for you guys. I will take you with me in the Dior boutique in Toronto and share with you how I made the purchase. There are some little clips that I'm going to share in this video today, and also we will be doing the unboxing together. So before we start this video, I want to mention you guys that this Dior bag has been in my wish list for quite some time, and whenever I used to think about Dior bag purchase, always the only bag came in my mind was the Dior Caro bag, because the Lady Dior is also very popular and iconic bag, but Caro bag to me is more practical. The Lady Dior bag is also in my wish list, maybe sometime later, but I always wanted to make the Caro bag my first purchase because looks like more practical bag for my daily lifestyle. It's a great bag to carry as a crossbody, and also when I tried this bag in the store, I felt like it was very easy. I tried both Lady Dior and the Caro bag, and Caro bag felt much more comfortable to carry as a crossbody and also shoulder bag. Feel like whenever you buy luxury bags or anything, usually you need to go to the store and try it on yourself, because you know, looking at the pictures and trying it in practical life makes a lot more difference. So especially for spending so much money, it's better to try it in the store and make sure 100% that you love the item. So sometimes pictures are a little bit decisive, so it's always better to try it and 100% be sure before you buy it. Let's go to the store together. I want you to also experience with me the whole you know, exciting experience, and also next we will be doing the unboxing. Now I'm at Blue Street to buy my Dior bag. Very excited. So I'm going to the store right now. To the store yesterday, but today I'm here to make the purchase. I tried the bag yesterday, really loved it, and now my Esther went inside to bring the bag out so I can see it one last time before I make the final purchase. Yeah, I really love this bag. The color, so cute. It looks so cute. So I just got a sparkling water while waiting for my bag to get packed. Very exciting. So I just made my Dior purchase, and right now waiting here for my bag to get packed. So excited. I got sparkling water here and waiting for my Dior Caro bag. First I just take
Oh my god.
so it's mine.
Of course it's yours. 100% yours.
Thank you.
Holding it with a star.
Yeah, so nice. Congratulations. So happy.
Amazing.
Thank you. So I got my bag, very excited. Finally, the dream bag is here. Super exciting. So finally it's done. My dream Caro bag is here with me. I will definitely unbox it with you guys and see you when I reach home. So now it's it's finally the time to do the unboxing. Look at the beautiful packaging. Oh, I'm so excited we're doing it together. So first I found this complimentary Dior magazine. Oh, it's so nice. Look at this Dior packaging, it's so stunning. I love this ribbon and the box feels amazing. It's so heavy and nice. And also this whole packet, it's like embossed, and this little bee here, it's so cute. I love the little details of this packaging. The packaging itself is actually beautiful, and then you get to see what's inside. I don't know how to explain, like this color is so beautiful, and I have nothing like this color in my collection except some beautiful Aritzia clothing. I guess I'm going to match this bag with those, and this color is so stunning. It matches with so many different outfits. It's like a very neutral grayish blue color, absolutely stunning. I specifically love the combination of gray and gold hardware. I don't know if many people like this, but I think this is a very unique combination. Dior experience was very luxurious. I would say they are actually very make you feel really special. I have gone to other luxury boutiques, but yeah, everywhere you're treated special, but Dior is something very different. I loved the whole experience, and also the packaging is very, very, very nice. Even I love this, the whole bag, this star. This is my favorite. It looks so gorgeous, so nice, and they consider it as a lucky charm, something like that, but I love it. It's like very ornamental, and yeah, so already you have seen this pouch. I love the whole pouch here. White and gold makes everything look beautiful. This bag looks very, very cute. I love this color. Whenever I looked at this bag on internet, this was the color always attracted me so much. Sometimes it seems like a baby blue to me. Sometimes it looks gray, like this grayish blue. Is a very unique color. So there are different shades of this bag. They have the pink one, they have the rosy nude one, they have beige, white and black. I feel like in this particular design, the Caro bag looks great in every color. I tried all the colors, I loved all of them, but this to me actually this was calling my name. I felt like this color is very unique for my collection, and this is in general a very unique color. We usually don't get to see bags in this color. You find a lot of different other designs of this color in Dior, and this one, I don't know, this design with gold hardware and this color looks just wonderful. So what happened is that I have been eyeing this bag for a while, and every time I went to the store to try the Caro bag, they never had this particular color. Always they had any other color rather than this one. And before I make this purchase, I really wanted to see this color in my own eyes and try it and then buy it. So I was actually waiting to have it in the store. Every time I went to the store, they said like you can try other colors and we can order it online. So that was the only way, because they never had this in the store. And I think this particular color sells out fast and they don't have it often in their stock. So randomly the other day when I went to the Dior store, I asked for this particular bag if they have it, and the sales associate was very nice and kind. She bring this bag out and told me this was the only bag she has in the boutique. So yeah, so she told me like I could buy it at once, or I could just book it for another day if I'm still confused. So the first day I didn't buy it, I just tried it, came back home, and after give it a lot of thoughts, I feel like no, I really want to buy it. And I checked online and I found that most of the other stores are sold out, and this was the only piece available at Bloor Street. So the next morning I texted her that yeah, I really want this bag, and she kept it for me. So in the afternoon I went to the boutique and got the bag. Okay, so let's see the bag now. A lot of people don't like it because of like they think it's too much hardware, but for me this is just perfect. I love the hardware. I love the gold and gray combination. It's very unique to me. It's easy to open. You just do like this, and this one is a Caro in small, and this is the this is the handle. So this is the strap. It has both chain and the leather part. So yeah, so you can just carry it like this as a crossbody with the elongated chain, or what you can do is just hold it like that, double strapped, and it easily becomes a shoulder bag. Okay, so I think this is a very versatile bag. Also you have this back pocket which is pretty wide. I can easily put something like my phone or any card holder, anything inside, because it's a pretty good space here. At the time the bags have the space, but they are not good enough to use, but this one is pretty roomy here, so I can use it. Inside of the bag has pretty good space. So yeah, it has a pretty good space in here, and all my essentials like my phone, my card holder, keys, some makeup item easily fits inside. I haven't used it yet, so I will be doing another video after a couple of uses, so I can share with you more of my how it is performing in my daily life. But yeah, so far it was my first impression video, and so far I'm very happy with overall my purchase. So it comes in with the authenticity card here, and yeah, so that's all about the bag. So this Dior Caro bag is in the size small, and I feel like small is the perfect size for my height and also for my daily likings or daily use. And the amazing thing about the bag is that this strap is actually detachable. There are two holes here which you have to match. The sales associate showed me, so I can easily break it here at the middle, and then I can attach their Christian Dior strap, which I can buy separately. So, and I can make use of it as a crossbody, and that particular strap makes it look more casual. So eventually I have plans to buy the strap and sometime change the strap, because this gold hardware look more like formal. Like I think I can even use it as a casual with my casual outfit, but the other strap you see here, it's like more casual looking, and with some outfit I think that goes better, and with some outfit like with gold hardware a bag can easily look more formal. Because I have this option, having both of the straps is just a way to make a more versatile use of the bag, and I'm totally gonna do that in the future. So that was everything about my Dior Caro bag. First impression, shopping together and unboxing. Hope you have really enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be coming up with more interesting videos in the upcoming future. If you have any further questions, you can comment down below, and always reach me out through my Instagram. That's the easiest way I can communicate with you guys. And I'm also coming live on my Facebook page, Sparkling Beauty Bee. So if you want to directly communicate with me, see you there. Like my page so you will be getting the notifications whenever I'm live. Like and follow my Facebook page as well. So that's all for today. I'm going to finish this video here, and I hope you really stay happy and healthy, and see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.